Good morning students. Now we move towards our another topic, and the title of this topic is transformation of a sentences. In previous period we learned that there are the four types of sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Now we find that how that assertive sentence transform in other three topics, and how these three other topics are transformed in a assertive sentence. These questions is transformation is important from 5th standard to 10th standard. So this is a nice topic, an important topic, and is definitely we have to achieve success and achieving the marks in our examination. So pay attention towards that topic. Here we find that the assertive sentence convert into imperative sentence. The first topic is assertive sentence. In previous period I tell that it follow the subject plus verb plus object, and when we change it in an imperative sentence, the rule of an imperative sentence is that the sentence starts with verb and there is an object. While writing it, if we write down that in a assertive sentence you should follow the rule, we find that the sentence you should follow the rule. But the rule of that imperative sentence is that we have to remove the subject and helping verb, and we only started by writing the verb. And so when we change that assertive sentence to imperative, we have to remove that you should, and the imperative sentence is follow the rule. So this is our imperative sentence, followed by at the end there is a full stop. And so here we find that sentence has came in the category of order or a command. Now we move forward. Here we find assertive sentence change into the interrogative sentence. Here again we find that the assertive sentence having a subject plus verb plus object format. But the rule of an interrogative sentence is we find that there is a ending, there is a question mark. For that, making a question mark, we have to use helping verb. Whenever there is a helping verb in the sentence, we use at the starting of the sentence, and by using that we have to prepare a question. Also one rule is that we have to use the sentence negative. How? By using, if the sentence is positive, interrogative is negative. If the sentence is negative, interrogative is positive. You have to follow this rule specially for that. Again, while doing vice versa, if the sentence negative, assertive positive. If that interrogative sentence positive, assertive sentence is negative. So for that I write down here, if I write down I wrote a letter, example is that I wrote a letter. This is the assertive sentence, subject, verb and object. But in that sentence there is no any helping verb. But our question says that interrogative sentence, that the sentence starts with helping verb, and after that the question will be formed. And so for that we have to move or pay attention towards the verb. The verb here is in a V2 form. Which form? V2 form. And so for making question of that interrogative, we write down here at the starting did. Again another rule, if the sentence positive, question tag interrogative sentence is negative. So we write down didn't. For that subject we write down I. That wrote convert in a V1 form, because for that wrote we write down here didn't. So we write down here write, the V1 form of wrote. The write, didn't I write a letter, and it ended with a question mark. Like that we find that this assertive sentence change into the interrogative form. Again here we find the vice versa, means again we have to return back by following the same path. If the example asks didn't I write a letter, that did indicate the verb is in a past tense. So while changing it as a vice versa form, our answer is I wrote a letter. So like that we find assertive to imperative, assertive to interrogative, that also their vice versa, how to write it down. Now here we move forward, our third example, assertive to exclamatory sentence. When we have to change it to assertive to exclamatory, we have to find out that this exclamatory sentence sign is important. Also, that exclamatory sentences are divided into two categories, one by making what and second by using the how. When in the example there is a or an helping verb is there, at that time we use what, and when there is no any helping verb article is there, at that time we find that the question or the sentence starts with how. Here I take a simple example. He is a great man. I take here example, a simple example. He is a great man. Here we find that article a is here. So while converting it in an exclamatory sentence, we write down what? A great man. We use that great man at the starting. What a great man he is! Exclamatory sign. Got it? So like that, if this exclamatory sentence asks, we may have to convert it in an assertive sentence by reversing it, by using the vice versa method, and then we write down that exclamatory to assertive, we have to change it like that. And so by using this type of method, we find out the transformation of sentences here, that how the assertive sentence change into the imperative, assertive change into interrogative, assertive change into exclamatory, and also vice versa, imperative to assertive, interrogative to assertive, and exclamatory to the assertive. Understand? Got it? Thank you.